Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick video today to show you the way I arrange my lottery money, the money that I'm allowing myself to spend on lottery tickets and the money that I have made on the lottery tickets. So this is a card holder. This happens to be a Gucci card holder, but all the card holders are essentially the same size, and I purchased this just to use to store my paper money. I don't use this card holder for credit cards or anything like that, although there are slots and that's the purpose of it, but I use it just for cash. So the money that I have won, I place lengthwise in the card holder. This is about $250 here, and it's folded up a lot, and I just put it lengthwise into the card holder. The money that I'm allowing myself to spend, I stick up like this. And so I know right away I have this much money right here that I'm allowed to spend. Now when this gets too full, see how the card holder is kind of sticking out, like it's kind of stretched out? Then I take some of the money or all of the money and I deposit it in an ATM and just put it in my bank account. Or I leave some money behind that I'm allowing myself to spend on lottery. So I hope this is useful, and this is a system that I like because I know how much money that I have allowed myself to spend, how much money is still there, and I don't play the lottery, the scratch-offs, like all the time, but you know, it's just letting me know that's what you have left. Maybe I only have $20 left, and that's how much you won, and it's a good system. Maybe this helps some of you guys organize your cash that you spend on lottery. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.